Thank you very much. This is our last one for tonight. This is a song called Signs of Love. This one's for Marissa and Maria. And Dan. And Linda. I just couldn't see. Diving on into a daydream, what's come over me? Flashing lights and signals, hypnotized, so many distractions, telling lies, analyze the situation, am I really free? Should've had signs, should've had signs, but I ignored them. Driving through the blinding rain. Should've had signs, but I followed broken lines. They took me nowhere. Ooh, I've lost my way again. I know that I've often had the chance, but I always need another glance. Should've had signs, should've had the signs, but I ignored them. I can see it in your eyes. Could not have made this clearer, I just couldn't see. You're driving on to a daydream, what's come over me? Flashing lights and signals, hypnotized, so many distractions, telling lies, analyze the situation, am I really free? Should've had signs, should've had signs, but I ignored them. Driving through the blinding rain. Should've had the signs, but I'm fucking lines that took me nowhere. Ooh, I've lost my way again. I know that I've often had the chance, but I always need another glance. Should've had the signs, should've had the signs, but I ignored them. Yes, I can see it in your eyes. Now when I'm driving on the road, I pay no attention to my highway code. Step down, turn round, I move about all over town. Those colored days on long dead posts mean nothing when I'm in my roads. I never stop to read the signs. I do busy chase those long white lines, but I should have taken just a bit more care. I never see the people anywhere, cause it's plain. See, well, love signs just put up for me. Now I shouldn't wonder who I meet.
It's no taking back on the one way street. My chance,
My chance
has gone,
has gone.
This journey just goes on and on.
There's a very subtle change of beat here. do it when you wanna come. Relax, don't do it when you wanna suck into it. Relax, don't do it when you wanna come. Oh, when you wanna come. Yeah, when you wanna come. Relax, don't do it when you wanna suck into it. Relax, don't do it when you wanna come. Relax, don't do it when you wanna suck into it. Relax, don't do it when you wanna come. When you wanna come. When you wanna come. When you wanna come. This journey just goes on and on. Ooh, how I love you. Ooh, how I love you. Ooh, how I love you. Signs of love, I never saw them. Signs of love, I just ignored them. Signs of love, now it's delaying. Signs of love, and I can't control my feelings. Thank you very much. Good night.